Did you know you can make money with Canva without any design degree, without a product, and without showing your face? Here are 5 digital products you can create inside Canva today and sell over and over again passively. First, Canva templates. Think Instagram post packs, Etsy shop banners, pitch deck templates, or resume designs. Business owners need these every single day and will happily pay for a well-designed, easy-to-edit file you create just once and sell forever on Etsy or Gumroad. Second, printable planners and journals. Daily planners, budget trackers, habit trackers, meal planners, insanely popular on Etsy. Export it as a PDF, downloaded by your buyer, zero inventory, zero shipping, pure profit. Third, social media brand kits. Small businesses are desperately looking for cohesive Instagram highlight covers, story templates, and post bundles that match their brand. So package them into a bundle priced between $9 and $25 and watch the sales roll in. Fourth, ebooks and lead magnets. You don't need to be a writer, just use Canva's ebook templates to turn your knowledge into a polished PDF guide you can sell on Gumroad or Payhip, or give away free to grow your email list. Fifth, wedding and event stationery. Invitations, menus, seating charts, thank you cards. This niche is massive. Buyers spend generously, and since it's digital download, they customize it themselves. You already have Canva. You already have everything you need. So pick one of these 5 ideas, create your first product this weekend, list it, and let the passive income do the rest. Drop a comment telling me which one you're trying first.